Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we will talk about how to use SHEIN Style It Gallery for outfit. The SHEIN Style It feature, often found within the app's product detail or dedicated styling sections, allows you to use AI to generate complete outfit ideas or visualize clothing and models and find similar items using photos. So how do you use this feature? First, you just have to open your SHEIN app. Now look at the tool. Look for the camera icon in the search bar. Now tap on it. Now upload a screenshot or a photo or a Pinterest outfit of a clothing item you like from your gallery. The app will analyze the photo for pattern, color, and shape. Now SHEIN will display visually similar items from their catalog and create full outfit photos, allowing you to see how different pieces look together. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next video.